Hi, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and you know I'm Rachel. How y'all doing today, huh? Okay, so listen, I'm on the couch as you can see, and I want to talk about what's going on with the social media today. And they're talking about teen pregnancy. Yes, that's what's going on. Some teenagers, a lot of teenagers, quite a few are getting pregnant. Mamas, daddies, please, let's talk to your children because, unless you are ready to raise another child, they're not going to be able to raise the child alone. Okay? There's a problem here. If you know that your teen is being active and having sex, or you think that they are, have that conversation with them, and if they're asking for protection or you feel they need protection, get them protection. Because if you don't get the protection and they get pregnant, now here's a whole nother problem. How are they gonna cope with that? How are they going to get through high school? How are they going to go to college? Once you have a child, that's your child until they get at least 18, sometimes even longer. They're always going to be your child, but in regards to you caring for them. So, that's a subject that a lot of kids, they have these kids because, they want to please their boyfriend. They either they fall into what their other friends are doing. And the bottom line is they don't understand what comes after that. So parents, grab your teens, tell them to come on and sit down, because I'm going to tell them how it was when I was growing up. Oh yeah, you wasn't coming home in my parents' house pregnant. No, because it was going to be a tough time to pay. So we weren't allowed to have a boyfriend until we were really in like the 12th grade. And even then, you had to sit in the living room with your parents sitting in the other room so that they can have a good clear view of what was going on. Or you had to have your brother or sister sitting in there with you, and then they would go back and report to the parents what was going on. And oh, for God's sake, don't let them kiss them. Oh, that was it. After that kiss, you couldn't see them again and everything. And all the trust was broken and everything. So everybody was absolutely petrified of their parents then to even think about getting pregnant. Now, some kids did get pregnant, and when they did get pregnant, it was really a shameful thing back then. They were ashamed about it. They didn't want to go to the same school, so they had a pregnancy school that their kids was taken out of regular school, and they had to go over to the pregnancy school. And when they delivered their child, they were also able to return back to regular school. And then your parent or somebody, your grandmother or someone, had to mind the child. And that really was a very hard life for a teenager to grow up with. So teens, you don't want to do that. You know what I mean? If you just feel that you just have to connect with your man in a sexual way, okay, get some protection. And don't believe that stuff that, he's not going to get you pregnant, because there's no guarantees, and you need all kind of protection. You need the condom, you need birth control, you need maybe absenteeism. That's probably the best birth control that I can think of. It's really, really cool if you can save yourself until marriage. I know you say that, oh, she's out of her mind. She got to be kidding me. No, I'm serious. Because if you can save yourself until you get married, at least you know that that man really is in love with you, and he's willing to wait, and he's willing to do whatever it takes in order to keep you whole until you say I do, right? I mean, that's the way to go. You know what I mean? But I'm a grandma, so you're gonna say, oh, she's just a grandmother, and that's why she's thinking like that. Oh no, nobody's gonna tell me what to do with my man and everything. Well, okay, how much money do your man have for this baby? Let me help you out. The Pampers, the formula, the clothes is it very big expense. Never mind, you need a whole room for just the carriage, the walker, the high chair. I can go on and on and on and on. And you don't have your own room. You're in your parents' house. All you have is your room. You don't have an extra room for all these baby items, okay? Not only that, you want to still hang out with your friends. You still want to text on the phone constantly. You still want to do all these things. Oh yeah, you definitely still want to occasionally go out and have more sex with your man, right? Come on now. How's all of this going to work? It's not going to work as smooth as you think. You are on your way to a headache. So please, let's hold that until you are grown, out on your own, making your own money and your own choices. Come on, now, instead of a baby, wouldn't you like a car? I think the expense is about the same. So just start with the car, okay? Love the car, feed the car, hug the car. Pretend the car is your baby, okay? Until you get grown. When you get grown, then you can think about having children. When I was in high school, I decided that I was going to make up how my life was going to go at age 16. So I decided that I wanted to have a husband, 2 cars, and a house before I had a child. And I wanted all of that to happen by age 25. So why not make a goal like that? It's good to make goals. See if you can reach your goal. It's your goal, right?